Hi, my name is Bash. I'm the founder of Command and the creator of MDview. MDview is an app to help you view your Markdown files as you work with your agent and essentially co-think with it as new ideas come up and you go through different projects. It's very simple. You open a folder, you can see your MD files in that folder, you can see the progress of the task, and you can mark tasks in progress. You can change the theme, you can have a basic search functionality, and essentially just a basic software to help you keep going with your Claude code. This is a demo of MDview, and I'm going to show you kind of a basic overview of what it does and how it works. At the moment, it's free for the next 13 people that download it, and after that, it's going to be $8.88, just a one-time fee, and I'll make sure to keep this updated. And just to give you a bit more context as well, Command is a company that I'm building with a focus on releasing software that is specific to a problem. And essentially the plan is to be coding a new software every 2 weeks and releasing it here. So if you're excited for that journey, please do give us a follow and check out the website every now and then. Another way to connect is via LinkedIn, so you can just add me on LinkedIn and keep following up with the latest tools that come up. On that note, let's get into the demo. MDview is going to help you think through things with Claude Code without being interrupting it midway. You can open a project here. You can have a look at the different files. We've got some demo files here. Usually each project has a claude.md file, and then you can build other MD files. We have the search option, we have the option to create tasks, and we have the light mode and dark mode. We also have the skills with this one, so your Claude also knows that it's working with a software and it helps co-think with you. At the moment, we've just got the demo project going on, so I can actually show you some of the stuff. So you can, let's say you have tasks and you can go through the tasks and tick them and essentially mark the progress. As Claude works on the task as well, it'll try to mark the progress. So I already have MDview open in an empty folder, and we have MDview open in our Claude code as well. So just to start, we'll say, hey, create a MD file. This is a demo of MDview. Record that in there. And we'll put this on auto mode so it's not stuck with us. And you can see that it created the MD file. At the same time here, we can see the MD file that has been created. And this is currently stuck on task. So if we click on this, we can actually see the content of the file. You can increase the zoom, you can check the different titles and essentially see what Claude is thinking. Now let's plan launch on product hunt. What's involved? Let's create some skill files to streamline the process along with a checklist on launch day. And as you can see here, what Claude will do is it will start creating these MD files that we asked for. And here we should be able to see those MD files being created as Claude is thinking through them. So the whole point of this green mark here is to denote that this is a live file and we are watching it get created as we go. So Claude is trying to use other MDs to kind of have a clean MD file for us. So that's kind of quite interesting. We'll just give it a second. So it's just confirming if we need to create these skill files, and we're like, okay, let's go for it. And we should see them here shortly as they will get created. So as you can see now, Claude has created a product hunt launch plan, and essentially it has the email list, it has the supporter outreach, hunter strategy, etc. And if you click on the task, you can see what's going on. And then let's say I just mark these two as done. I marked some items as done. We can see that it can see that the logo and the thumbnail was done. So essentially what you can do is, let's say you do the last part, I do the first part, mark it as 5 seconds. This is a demo. So you can imagine that you'll go and do these parts that are manual, and then Claude will go and do these parts that are more kind of AI friendly, and then you can see that we can follow the progress together and see what was done. So essentially that's the main point of MDview. Sometimes Claude creates too many MD files, things get a bit messy. MDview will help exactly know what's going on and where things are sitting.